Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. And in this video course, we are going to be creating this DevTechie courses app, and we're going to be building this in SwiftUI, and you're going to be learning a lot of things about SwiftUI and how to model your projects, basically follow MVVM design patterns, and how to build out an app in SwiftUI from scratch. We will also be covering video players in this. So the video player that SwiftUI 2.0 introduced, that's what we're going to be working with. So let's go ahead and take a look what we're going to be building. So you're going to have this this app UI, which is going to be the front page or the home page, and you have like list of courses listed here, and you can search these courses. So for example, I can say iOS, and if I just remove everything, remove like what's in the search box, then everything animates back. And if you notice, as we are typing, we are getting our results filtered out. So I'm gonna type Swift, and you're gonna notice how our results are filtering out. So we're gonna be building this this cool homepage where you can have like different topics that you can learn from this courses app, and from there you're gonna dig a little bit deep. So I have like a few of these populated. For example, Swift has this mastering generics course, and in the Swift UI we have these healthcare speech video player animations in the Swift UI course. So now we are once we are in this view, if you notice like the image is same because I'm using just one image resource, but you can actually vary that. But anyways, as you drop into the detail view, you can actually select a course and take a look at like the detail about that course. We're going to be laying out the detail about the course, like if it's how much is it for and everything, and you have all the items or like lessons as a part of that video course, right? And then what you can do is you can basically click on these to play these videos in a video player. Okay, so you can actually sort of play them one by one and show the user. Like, I mean, I'm using the same video, like displaying it on different, but you can see like these are different selections because our title for the page is changing. For example, now view model for views. Okay, so we are going to be learning about like how you can create this entire app inside SwiftUI. Okay, and all the like once you're finished with the app, all you need to do is basically populate with your own data and just go with that. So yeah, so this is gonna be the topic for this video series. So hopefully you are excited. So join me in creating this amazing DevTechie courses iOS app. Okay.